Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw M3GAN, so let's get started. To draw this cool doll, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There, so I've got two circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So with my eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of each eye right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve right over the eye. And then I'm going to add these 3 lashes here at the top. I'm just trying to make her more doll-like. So just to add these 3 lashes at the top right here. Just a little bit poofier. And then at the bottom, I'm going to add 3 lashes as well. 1, 2, and 3. So same thing on this side. So I'm just going to draw a curve right over the eye, just to anchor it. And then we're going to add 3, 2, 3, and then at the bottom as well. And then from there, let's go ahead, we're going to draw her brow. So let's come up about right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft arc right over her eye. And I'll just thicken it up a little bit. And same thing on the other side, just a soft arc. And thicken it up. There. And then for her smile, she doesn't really have a smile, right? So we're just going to go ahead and just draw a small little line right here. And then I'm just going to curve it up very slightly and cap it off. There, just very slight if you want. Or you can just make it a straight line, so she's not smiling so much. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come back and draw her face. But because she has hair that's kind of on the side of her face, I'm not going to go usually as high. I'm going to come down a little bit, kind of like this point right here, and I'm going to come out, give myself a point. So like about right here, give yourself a point. And I'm going to basically draw bottom of a U. So I'm going to come down with a curve right here. Same thing here. And let's find the center. So let's say about right here, I'll give myself a point. And I'm just going to draw this curve and give her a sharp chin. Hopefully. So now I've got that, and then we can go draw the other side. There, very delicate. Yay, so now she has this nice sharp doll chin. And then let's see here, then let's go ahead and draw her top. So I'm just going to imagine a big oval. So let's say about the center right here. I'll just give myself a point, and from here I'm going to start to draw a curve that comes down, and it's going to come towards this point. So let's bring this down. It's like her hair, and then it's going to come in about right here, and we're just going to wobble it out. So same thing on this side, just give it a little curve up, and then wobble your curve down towards here, and bring it out. And then in this area, because you went up right here and here, we're just going to draw a curve that comes down. Let me bring this up a little bit more. There. Okay, so then from there, this is our center. We're just gonna go up straight, and about right here, I'm gonna go up on both sides. And then we're just gonna bring a curve down. So let's go up and then come down. So we're just kind of following this. We're gonna come down, not too fluffy, just kind of tapered. And about right here, we're just gonna start to wobble our way. So same thing here. Just come down, and you can start to wobble. There. Okay. So then in this space, you might see an ear. So I'm just, whatever space I have left, I'll just go ahead and tuck in the curve, and here as well. And then let's finish the rest of her hair a little bit later. Let's finish her body first. So right in the center, we're going to give her a little neck. So here and here, give her a little neck. Come down, and then right about here, we're going to cut it off with a soft V right there. So you need to draw her collar later. So let's come round right here, and we're going to come down, a little angle. So this is her collar. And just imagine we're just drawing her shoulder. So let's see here. Let's cut it off right here a little bit and then continue. So cut it off a little bit and then continue with her shoulders right there. And I'll show you why I need to cut it off a little bit later, but let's go ahead and then, now that we're pretty even on both sides, I'm gonna bring this down and give a slight angle. There. Okay, so just a subtle part right here if you want to put in the detail of her collar. If you don't, you can just go ahead and just draw this angle. So then from there, I'm going to come into the center, and we're going to draw the center of her bow. So I'm just going to draw this rounded off rectangle, and then her bow is going to droop down towards in this area right here. So that's why I'm going to come right about here, and we're just going to go ahead and fill up this space with her bow. So same thing here. Just droop this down, wobble a little bit, and connect. Draw a little detail. So whatever space you have left, just finish off the collar there. And then let's see, let's bring this down a little bit more. Not too much. This part is a little bit higher up, so let's say about right there. I'll stop, and then we're going to start to flare it out. So for her skirt part, we're going to come out and come out. So before we finish that, let's come back and we're going to draw the tail of her bow. So I'm going to bring it down nice and low. It's going to pass this waist area. Come out with an angle and connect. So same thing on this side. And connect. And then very important, we have these two buttons we need to draw. So one's going to be right here and here. Right in this space. Two little buttons. There. And then we can go ahead and just start to flare out her skirt part. So just step back, see how long you want to make her skirt. A little bit more. Okay, so about right there. Now using this button as your guide, you're going to come down a little bit and give yourself a point. So same thing here. Come down, give yourself a point, and we're going to draw the pleats of our skirt. So we're just going to draw two angles coming from it. So let's come down towards our bottom. So same thing here and here. Okay, so let's work on this one first. So we're still, these 2 points are level now. We're just imagining a curve going all the way across. So let's bring this down, imagining a curve. So I'll just say about right here. And same thing here. And I'll just go ahead and connect it with a curve. So let's bring this down and connect. So you're just still imagining a curve. So bring this down and same thing right here. And then let's come inside. We're going to draw a little curve right in here. So hopefully that makes your skirt part look like it's pleated and up. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her legs and then having her stand with her legs apart. So let's say about right here and here. Let's center. We're going to come down. Just give yourself one angle first. About right there. Then this part is going to come down. It's going to get thinner for her ankle area. And let's see, about right here, we're going to start to flare it out, and this part is going to come straight down. Okay, so then it's come out, and we're going to curve it out and connect for her foot. So then for some details, you can come in here, right here, draw a curve. And then there's a little strap right here at the top. Okay, so then the other side, same thing. So about right here, we're going to straighten out just like the other side. And once again, come out, and this part is going to flare out. And we just want to end about the same level, so about right here. Round it off. And connect. So once again, we're going to cut it off right here with a curve. Bring in the back of the shoe and then another strap right here. There. So we're done with her foot, and then now let's draw her arms. So right here, we're going to poof out her sleeve, give it a little curve, and then come out, flare it out a little bit, and bring it in. Let's work on this side first. So I'm imagining her shoulders coming down, her arms, and we're just going to use her body, the side of her body here to draw the arms to make it a little bit easier. So about right here, we're going to curve it in and come out. And let's say about right there, and cut it off. And so on this side, she's going to be holding her knife. So right in here, we're going to draw her hands. So draw a thumb, and then we're going to come down with an angle, and then connect. So in this space is where we're going to draw the knife. So using this angle right here, we're going to bring, and then since let's just use the side of her skirt so we don't have to draw too many details. So about right here, I'm going to come down with a curve, and we're going to bring this knife down. It's a very long knife. To about right here, and connect with an angle. And so in this space, let's come back and we just draw a little angle right here for the handle. There. So just hopefully a simplified way to draw this. And then the other side is the same thing without a knife. So right here, if you have, you're sticking that part up. So same thing here. Poof out the sleeve, come down about here, and connect, and once again angle, curve, and sleeve about right here, and connect. And then on this side we're just gonna drop part of her thumb and then her hands and just bring it in to simplify it. And then finally, let's finish off her beautiful hair. So we're just gonna simplify it and just curve and curve it down. Same thing here, just wobble all the way down. And you can put in more of these curves right here if you like. And let's see if we're missing anything. That is pretty much it. I really hope you love my version. And when you're coloring, of course, there's stripes on the bow and then the stripes on the sleeves that you can add to finish up the drawing. But that is pretty much it. I really hope you love my version here of M3GAN, the awesome creepy doll from the movie M3GAN. Thanks so much for watching. And if you love it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.